I have a question. Does anybody knows from friends, family, or maybe coworkers, somebody who has ICD, defibrillator implanted? Please raise your hand. This will be important presentation for your friends. We will see if this is working properly or not and what we can do to improve it. Also, one question, any investors on the here in the room? Okay, why I ask this question, because I want to show you $8 billion market of implantable defibrillators and potential growth to maybe even 16 with our technology. So where's the issue today? Today, if you look at official data presented, 40% of defibrillators do not work, or they don't work properly. And this is a huge issue from payer perspective. This is amazing unmet need from doctor's perspective to fix it. And this is the issue, of course, for patient, which is the most important here. So what is our solution? We are showing exactly the point which is patient-specific for each patient, where the lead, it's an electrode, should be placed. You see this red dot? This is the place in the heart. And if you place the lead in this green-yellow area, this is where the defibrillator will work. If you place it outside, it will not work. And doctors do not know this today when they are implanting. That's why 40% of defibrillators do not work. It's a huge cost for everybody. Our system, non-invasively, is showing this point, and this yellow line which you see, the easiest route to get there. We are usually showing two routes for the doctor. He's, according to his knowledge and experience, selecting the easiest one to get to the proper point. So we have a system. It's working. Actually, 2 patients been treated in Maastricht, Netherlands today with 100% success of our system. We are in several hospitals in Europe, very famous one like King's College, Oxford, Maastricht, Amsterdam, Geneva, Milano, and many more. And the system is working, and it's proven by IP, but it's proven also by interest from some of the strategic companies. And you know, strategic in CRT, we're talking Boston Scientific, Abbott, Medtronic, Biotronic, and 2 Chinese producers which are starting to enter the market. I'm very happy from last year's results. So we were able to present 111 patient study showing that the system is working with 100% accuracy on this red dot and the yellow-green area, which I was showing you where to place the lead. We published this mid last year, and what is interesting, Stanford Biodesign selected us for presentation last year and also this year to make a follow-up on the results as very important technology from the heart failure perspective. Last year, we were cited in the guidelines for Heart Rate Society in US. And according to our PI from Cleveland Clinic, Professor Niraj Varma, he believes this will be a golden standard of the CRT implants in the future. So nobody will do the implant without this system and such a mapping. We are currently started Iconic M. This is pivotal study which we are doing mostly in Europe, but in UK, Netherlands, Scandinavia, in the top centers. And we about to finish 30 patient study with Abbott, which we sent them results. They were impressed with our results, and we are discussing to publish end of the year our results from the study. This is the next generation. So forget this bulky computer which you have seen. This is the new generator. So this computer is here. It's added to the patient. You see this on the side. And completely new electrode. So this is a next generation. We are almost ready with the prototype of this product. I have it with me, so I can show to anybody who is interested. Much faster and much easier to use. Actually, we are not adding a time to the regular procedure, because normally patient is coming a week before or 2 days before, and diagnostic is proceeded, and this is where our procedure is done before. So as I mentioned, the market in developed countries, and by developed countries I mean Europe plus United States, is about 160,000 CRT implanted a year. But if you add developing countries, the potential is to double the market. So we are talking 8 billion today and potentially 16 billion market. Why the developing countries are not working so fast and they are not developing this technology so well? First of all, doctors are less experienced, and our mapping system will allow them to make the procedure easier. And second, point is that basically younger doctors can do this procedure as well. So why we are here at LSI? Of course, financial needs, and we are looking now for 14 millions. We have very good investors. I see they are sitting here as well, some of our investors. So we have a backup from them, and out of 14, already 4 to 5 million is confirmed. But we are looking for additional 9 million on investment. And we are looking for this money to finalize two things. So bigger pivotal study, which will show patients with our system versus patients without our system, and advantage of doing the procedure with our system, and of course finalizing this generation 2 of the product. We also take under consideration the present geopolitical situation. So if you look where we are planning to produce majority of components of our product, and we already selecting potential producers, this will be Europe and US. So we are not looking China, we are not looking outside of Europe. So I hope it will make also easier and more accessible. The next generation, of course, our first generation is CE mark. The next generation is mostly for US market, will be FDA, MDR approved. So I'm looking forward to meet any of the potential investors here, guys. Thank you so much.